आसान हो जाती है। जब माँ बाप साथ होकर मंजिल आसान हो जाती है, फिर सारा तत्पर होकर तूफान पर मुख हटकर रास्ता आसान करती है। माँ बाप की अहमियत को बताने के लिए मैं दावत देता हूँ सका और मालिया को कि वो आए और अपने सिर्फ अंजाम दें।
Assalamualaikum, my very good morning to all the wonderful people. My name is Maria and I am going to object my friend Sakadari and I am going to pray for my father, my mother, my love, my father, my pride. Mother introduces you to the world. Mother introduces the world to you. Mother gives you life. Father gives you living. Mother teaches you how to talk. Father teaches you how to hold the dog. Mother protects you from a fall. Father teaches you how to get up from a wall. Mother secures you from the land. Father was taking care of your mother all those 9 months. Mother made you to play with toys when you were crying. Father bought all the toys for you with his hand and money. Mother saved up for the day in kitchen to prepare delicious food for us. Father saved half of the day in shorts in sun to give us a happy life. Mother comes to our rescue when father is scolding. Father scolds us to integrate the manners and discipline. Mother holds us when we eat or eat for us. Father is one of the gates of heaven. It is the mother who wakes us when her child cries out of pain at night. Mother can stay away from her own parents but cannot be imagined to be separated from her children. Mother can bear enormous pain by giving birth to a child but cannot see the fear in the eyes of the children. If mother dies first, father marries another woman for support. If father dies first, mother remains widow and leaves her all her life alone, remembering her husband. Will you allow me to say something? Yes, you may. Every effort our father is doing for our betterment, every sweat he is suffering for our comfort, every pain he is earning for our future and career. I am really not able to understand. How should I convince you? Everybody is spoken about father is a utter reality in them. I cannot deny and never deny any of your statements. I understand your emotions and I do respect my father. I do love my father, but I can convince you the greatness of mother over father is the light of Islam. Once a man came to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and asked, Ya Rasulullah, who among the people deserve maximum respect? I mean in terms of love and attachment. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam replied, your mother. That man asked